Thank you. Okay, Caleb and Anthony, you haven't checked in. On the tone. Amen. Novice underway. No, man, I don't think that one's gonna make it. Okay. Cool. Well, I want everybody to put them out there. I don't care what they look like. I will be recruiting 3 judges that are not injured, or that put out a car that have no hope. And it looks like Kevin Hilditch out front. It'll be Mike Clark in second. Rowdy Red in third. Caleb and Ted battling out for fourth. Oh, Caleb slides on the inside and gets taken out. Long race, drivers, long race.
Minutes into this race,
side up.
and the running order is 1, 2,
Low is
3,
fast.
4, 5, 6.
Really? So Kevin Hilditch stretching it way out there. Mike Clark into second. Battle is third. Looks like Ted's up to third. Anthony's right there. Red Baker's right there. Caleb's right there. Oh, that's right. Anthony's running his 4-wheel drive. We'll count you for the place. Thank you. And looks like Caleb has moved it up into fourth.
Currently,
Still hold
2
down third.
minutes into this race, and the running order is 1, 2, 4,
Here out front,
6,
gone.
3, 5.
Radical Red and a Rowdy Ruckus. Romping on it. He only knows how to put plastic to plastic.
Yep. It works better that way.
Your leader's starting to work through traffic, and it looks like Mike Clark is not too far behind Kevin. Oh, and he gets upside down right as I call his name. Roll the corners. All this sliding and squirreling sideways ain't getting you going forward.
Currently, 3 minutes into this race, and the running order is 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, 6.
Sure, Marshall. Go, Ted. I got it. What number is it? I'll push it in. Ted. Where the heck's that? Number 4. There, I got your lap, Ted. Okay, your leader is Kevin Hilditch, Mike Clark second, Caleb Eddy up to third.
Currently,
Heads down to
4
fourth.
minutes into this race,
Side
and the
side
running
up.
order is 1, 2, 5, 4, 6, 3. Halfway
down, drivers.
2.
Like Ted has got back around Caleb as he's all over the track, or all over parts that are not on the track. a long race. Eight minutes, driver.
Currently, 5 minutes into this
go.
race, and the running order is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 3.
That is your leader behind you, Caleb. Wide open. I don't know, the first day he drove it really nice, and now he just... Okay, third place, upside down on the track. See if you can crash all the time? What?
Currently, 6 minutes into this race, and the running order is 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, 6.
Just lap him. Oh yeah. Mike needs to really probably step it up the stage. Mike's closing in on him. Kevin Hilton just gets some company from Mike Clark. Mike Clark is closing in on him. He's only about a straightaway behind him. They've both gone to the double single, keeping the shiny side up. Kevin taking the rough route. Ted, be aware you got second place closing in on you. Trying to catch the leader. Thank you. Ted is running third place, so first and second putting a lap on third. Kevin get a little squirrely at the top end. Here he comes down the straightaway. Mike closes it in by about 10 feet. 1 minute to go. Oh, Kevin, turn marshal, quickly, quickly!
Currently, 7 minutes into this race, and the running order is 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, 6.
Yep. Mike Clark taking over the lead. Kevin. Get a mind glitch. Oh, your leader put into the pipe. Here comes Kevin. Kevin's closing it up. Down that back straightaway they go. Both these guys looking to bump up after the series. And Caleb, that is first and second. Do not interfere with them. 30 seconds. Let him. He got it. Who? Kevin? Oh. Caleb. Yeah, he broke the controller, squeezing the plastic. Yeah, the shocks are probably blown out in it.
Finish your laps.
Finish the laps you're on, drivers.
3 finished. 6 finished. 2 finished.
Air Marshal. So, Mike Clark taking the win. Kevin Hilditch still hasn't finished, but Ted done
4
with third.
finished. 1
Kevin
finished.
done with second. Red Baker in fourth. Caleb Eddy will finish in fifth.
No, Tim.
5 finished. Race over.
Okay, let's turn into
The
transponder
finishing
driver.
order was 2,
Go right back out to turn marshal.
3, 5,